We have an electronic fuel pump that you'll hear, which is great because with carburetors, you can see we have 116,000 miles on here, and it starts right up. I will not touch the gas. Actually, you'll even see how the car starts up with nothing on the gas pedal. Starts right up. Everything works, including the stereo. We have a sticker here that gives it the AM/FM look, but it's Bluetooth. Glove compartment. An upgraded Resto Mod steering wheel that's tilt. Top, excellent condition. It's also have the soft top as well.